Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Speaking of indie brands, today's video is all about the brand new Rebel Rouge Labs Gods and Monsters palette. Rebel Rouge Labs Gods and Monsters is a beautiful Baroque-inspired springtime palette with a grungy twist. This palette offers 12 versatile shades in varying hues, from soft neutrals to blinding metallics and beautiful pops of color. This palette retails for $32.99. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified of future videos, which are typically Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I am so excited to play with this brand new palette from Rebel Rouge Labs. You guys know they are my all-time favorite indie brand. I have loved and supported her for many years. I absolutely love her aesthetic. I love the grunge vibes that she always has in her palettes. I love that she steps outside the proverbial makeup box and just moves to the beat of her own drum. I love everything about the brand. I do have a discount code with Rebel Rouge Labs that is RIRI10 for 10% off. We're going to dive in with some swatches. We're going to play around. We're going to do a look.